AI is changing how testing gets done. With SmartBear Reflect, anyone on your team can create automated tests using plain language in minutes. But as automation grows rapidly, visibility falls behind. You need a clear view of what ran, what passed, what failed, and what that means for the release. With the new Reflect and QMetry integration, you can scale automation without sacrificing visibility or control. Automated tests and results from Reflect now sync seamlessly into SmartBear QMetry, our enterprise test management platform, centralizing reporting and traceability across your teams. Here's how the workflow works. Teams create and run automated tests in Reflect without scripting or heavy setup. Those tests sync directly into QMetry and connect automation to test cases, requirements, and defects in real time. You can track coverage, monitor execution history, and generate reports without stitching data together. Reflect drives automation. QMetry keeps it visible and measurable. Together, they let you scale with confidence and maintain application integrity, the continuous, measurable assurance that your app works as intended.